When I was 25 years old, my friends and I bought a restaurant on South Grand, and it had a pasta making component. We had that restaurant for 10 years, so I sold the restaurant and took the pasta component with me. And so we've been here for 10 years, and we've been growing the pasta business since. The building that we're in was built in 1953 to be the Berlinger Dairy, and I was in the neighborhood picking up some meat for my restaurant and looking for a place to expand the pasta business, and I found this property, boarded up, dilapidated, and then we renovated it, and now we make pasta here. Our pasta is unique. The ingredients are premium. My flour comes from a local mill, and it's actually milled to order for us. We pick our flour up on Monday that was milled that morning, and we get our flour every week. I get the flour without enrichment to guarantee that I get the freshest flour possible. Just to throw it in there, our pasta is also not pasteurized. Also, our eggs are cage-free and are hatched in Farina, Illinois. These are also hatched to order. The eggs are laid on Monday, cracked on Tuesday, and I get them on Wednesday. We have a combination of old world technique and modern technology, to where we have all new Italian pasta machines, but we still do laminated cut pastas, where most of the pasta that you buy at the grocery store is extruded. Our pastas are sheeted, rolled into sheets, rolled over onto each other, and cut into noodles. Well, we start with semolina and durum flour. We blend those and mix it with the eggs and water. And once that's mixed, about 15-20 minutes, we roll it into a sheet. And then we roll that sheet down to thickness, cut it into noodles, and then we hang it on Delrin rods. The rods help us to move the pasta to cure it. And then the pasta is cured out to remove some of the moisture before it's packaged, weighed and packaged, and put through the modified atmosphere vacuum packer. And there it's back flushed with nitrogen and sealed, then to the labeler, and then to the cooler. We've been working with Schnucks about 10 years. And we started at the DePere store, doing weekly demos and selling at that one location. Then we expanded to 3 more, and now I believe I'm system-wide. Schnucks is our hometown store. We shop there ourselves. And we're thrilled to have my products on the shelves there.